guys, this is Your Name in the Key of F. It's a really simple way to chord along to this song. I hope you have a lot of fun. I've stripped it down to the basics for you. Make sure to stop the video, and if you click on the description below, you will find the chord sheet that you can print out, the chord sheet that I've created for you, and it'll make a lot more sense. Okay, so in this song, we have some major chords. We have F, C, B flat, and then we also have a D minor and an A minor. So let's go through those chords. If we look for a group of 3 black notes, the F is just to the way left of those, okay? So line up your 5 fingers and play every other note. F, A, C, and that's our F chord, okay? Then we're gonna play our other C chord here. Move up to the group of 2 black notes. It's to the left of that one. C, E, G, it's a C chord. Okay, then I'm going to show you the D minor, which is right next door to that. So move your hand up 1 set of notes. D, F, A. Okay, and then our A minor is here. A, C, E. It's just tucked in between these group of 3 black notes. And then our B flat is probably the trickiest chord for people to play. So it's a B flat, D, F. I use fingers 1, 2, 5 typically. You can use 1, 2, 3. You can use 1, 3, 5, whatever feels good for you. Okay, so that's the B flat. It's kind of this curved line. Okay, otherwise the other ones are pretty simple. So let's review. We have F, C, D minor, A minor, and B flat. All right, so our left hand is going to be playing single notes. We're just going to keep it simple over here. So I like to try to find a position that my hand can stay here the whole song without moving. So I'm going to put thumb on C, line up my 5 fingers. So when we play F, we're going to play F here. Okay, single note, A minor to A in the bass, B flat to B flat in the bass, C to C. And then when we play that D minor, I'm just going to open my thumb up 1 note. I'm not going to move my hand. I'm just going to open this thumb up, okay? D minor to D in the bass. All right, so the rhythm that brings the 2 hands together, it's written in 4/4 time signature. So I use a ratio called 1-to-2 ratio. And that just means we're going to go together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. You could practice that on the C chord. Just get familiar with this nice marching rhythm. Okay? All right, so there's 2 verses. They're the same. I'm going to start out just singing verse 1 so you can see how it sounds in when we add in some vocals. All right, so starting out with that F chord. As morning dawns and evening fades, you inspire your songs of praise that rise from to touch your heart and glorify your name. All right. So let's just slow that down a little bit. So you're just going, I write the chord above the word or the syllable in which it changes, and you just kind of keep going through this nice marching rhythm. Fades. You inspire your songs of praise. Okay, so for this song, that just kind of, it's just da 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 da. Pretty simple. All right, so let's go a little bit slower there. As morning, okay, B flat, dawns and C, evening, F, fades, you in B flat, spare your C, songs of praise, F, that arise from B flat, earth Okay, if this helps too, if you notice some patterns in your music, the first two lines are the same chords. F, B flat, C, F. Repeat. F, B flat, C, F. And let's see if there's any patterns in the second song. I guess lines 2 and 3 are the same. But noticing music that has patterns, it helps kind of take out that overwhelm. Especially for this song, there's verse 1 and 2. They're the same chords. So that's like 2/3 of your song done once you learn it. Also, just remove the left hand if you need help by just focusing on your right hand, and then bring the two hands together. All right, so let's take a look at that chorus. So it starts out with the A minor there. Okay, so but your name, D minor, is a F, strong and mighty, B flat, tower your C, name, D minor, is a F, shelter like no, B flat, other your C, D minor, let the F nation sing it, B flat, louder, 'cause F, nothing as the B flat, power to C, safe, but your name. Okay, and then it goes into verse 2, which is the same. So kind of break it down into steps for you. Just play right hand only, then bring in the left hand and bring them together if that feels comfortable for you. Remember that verse 1 and 2 are the same. You can do it. Have a lot of fun jamming out with me. Here we go. As morning dawns and evening fades, you inspire the songs of praise that arise from earth to touch your heart and glorify your name. Your name is a strong and mighty tower. Your name is a shelter like no other. Your name, let the nations sing it louder, 'cause nothing has the power.